In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting on Calendly. We'll walk through the process from your dashboard to a confirmed booking, so you can confidently share a scheduling link and complete a reservation without confusion. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and heading to your account dashboard. On the left side, click Scheduling. This section houses your event types, the different meeting options you offer, from quick check-ins to longer sessions. If you have a lot of events, use the search bar on this page to quickly find the exact one you want to make available. When you spot the right event type selected, you'll see sharing options for that event. Click Copy Link. This copies the public booking link to your clipboard, the same link invitees will use to pick a time. Open a new browser tab and paste that link. You'll now see the public booking page exactly as an invitee would. This quick preview helps you confirm the description, duration, and availability look correct before you share it widely. Choose a date from the calendar, then pick a time slot that works. Calendly shows only open times based on the event's schedule. When you're ready, click. Next, to move to the details page. Here, fill in your name so the host knows who's booking. Enter a valid email address. This is where confirmations and calendar invites will be sent. If others should join, use the Add Guests field to include their email addresses so they receive the same invite. If the form requests a phone number, add it. This can help with quick coordination or last-minute updates. There's also a notes box where you can share anything that will help prepare for the meeting, such as your goals, relevant links, or a brief agenda. The clearer your notes, the smoother the conversation will be. After everything looks good, click Schedule Event. Calendly will confirm the booking on screen, and calendar invitations and confirmation emails are sent automatically according to the event's settings. You'll see the final date, time, and any conferencing details included in the confirmation. That's the complete flow. Open Calendly, go to Scheduling, find and choose your event type, copy its link, preview it in a new tab, select a date and time, provide your details and any guest emails, and finish by scheduling. Follow these steps whenever you need to share availability or book on someone's behalf. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.